Hello YouTube, this is the third part of the Seuss Studio tutorials. Now then,
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Tom has just came here.
Now, I'm doing a YouTube video as well.
Yeah.
We can both upload it at the same time, okay dude?
Okay, so Tom has now come with me.
Hey.
And Rafe is here as well.
You don't have to always mention Thomas as your favourite.
Rafe is here as well.
Yeah.
And these are the sub-managers of the company.
Yeah, us three are the managers of the company, not Natch, but me, Tom, and Emma.
But Nat's,
hey, look at this, Ghosties.
But Nat's here.
Ghosties, not Ghosties.
But Nat's on Poptropica.
If you've ever heard of it.
Yes.
And he will be uploading a video. Will it be to the same channel? What?
No, not on ET Games 800, no.
It'll be a different channel. You have the ghosts. They're just staying random.
Okay, so we've arrived at this stage so far. We've put our own software on here. So here we are. We've got some software on here. We have put some stuff on the desktop as well. And then we have to now go to configuration. Configuration.
What to do here? Yep. Just go everywhere you can, just collect as much items as you can.
Okay, so the language is whatever language you use. Of course, I'm from the UK, so I'm going to choose English United Kingdom. The keyboard layout is also English United Kingdom. Region, Europe. Time zone, United Kingdom. Once again, okay? So, it doesn't really matter where you are. You can choose Canada, you can...
Do you have your laptop?
Yes. You can use Croatian, Bulgarian, Bosnian, Bengali, Afrikaans, Poziks, but I'm using English UK.
Yes, we are English UK.
Well,
no, we're not.
Yes, we are.
He's Welsh.
Yeah, but there's no
English UK.
But there's no English. There's no Welsh. I'm second language English. Now then, users and groups. Okay, you need to make sure that enable firewall. If it's not enabled, just enable it. There'll be something coming up here. Just click add it anyway. Okay, this needs to be changed to discover network settings automatically, DHCP. Okay, your appliance will always run DHCP in test drive. Okay, it doesn't really work. Okay, so I'm not sure why, but it doesn't work. Okay, the internet doesn't work in test drive, just to let you know. Now then, you need to change the password for root to root. Okay, it'll be easier because it's just the login name and the password are exactly the same. Okay, you can change the password later on, and I will show you how in the test drive parts. That'll be part 1 of the test drive. And then you need to make a user and group. Okay, you can choose administrator. You can choose administrator. You need an administrator. Okay, you need an administrator. Just put 0 here, and it'll change to 1,000, and it'll keep on adding 1 every time. Okay. Hang on a minute. There we go. So, and you need to change the password to whatever you want. You can choose it to admin if you want. You can choose whatever you like. The group, just keep it as users for now. And then you need to add a new user. Okay, just call that one guest. Okay, put a 0 here as well. But you don't need a password for this. Okay, you can change this to guests now if you want. You can change this to guests.
Tom, yeah.
And then you're fine.
Where can you find the key?
No, you need to go to personalize now.
The key on
personalize.
Island.
By clicking personal. Hello, I'm talking here. I can't hear. So, in personalization, what you do is you personalize the boot selection, the boot, the console, and the login. The console stays black at all times, but you can change the logo here, as you can see. I'm gonna upload it. I can't upload a new one yet since I haven't got any, so I'm just gonna put the penguin, and I'm gonna put the background as green because I like the color green very well. Startup, okay. In startup, you need to put graphical login. Okay, that's best login you can get. Okay, server, and you don't really need a server, but you need a desktop. Okay, and then you don't need to automatic desktop use a login because you've got passwords, haven't you? Now then here, memory has to be a multiple of 4. Change that to 1024. That will be 1 gigabyte.
It doesn't have to be 1024.
Well, 1024 is 1 gigabyte. Okay. Change the disk size to about 250 gig, and change this also to 1024. Okay. And you don't need to do anything else there. scripts, you don't need to do anything here either. Okay, so files. Now then, if you want a file, then you can, but you don't really need anything. And now we go to the build section. USBs, and you need to change the version here, okay? Change to 1.0.0, and once you build, this 0 here at the end, which is release, which is otherwise known as release, which is major, minor, release, or major, minor, release. Release will change to +1 every time, so I'm going to change it to I'm going to change it to 5.5.0, okay, and you'll see what happens to this 0 at the end. Okay, change this to USB stick. It's the quickest one you can get, but it does take about 14 minutes on this OS we chose. Okay, you can enable desktop notifications to for finished builds, and it'll come up here somewhere. I don't know, because I've never tried it. So I'm gonna build now. Okay, and so I'm gonna click build, and since it's gonna take a bit of a long time.
Sorry for this loud.
Okay, so here we are. As you can see, the version has changed to 5.5.1 rather than 5.5.0. Okay, so we are building this operating system right now. Okay, the operating system is now up building. Okay, as you can see, downloading packages doesn't take a long time. Installing software does take a bit of time once it's finished. Then you got the building, that takes a little bit of time. As you can see, it's installing software and it's almost halfway through. This part doesn't, even though it's halfway now and it's taken half a minute, it doesn't mean that it'll take 1 minute, because at the end, as you can see, the installing software will take a little bit of time. Okay, so if this timer here reaches 9 minutes, we will stop it.
9 hours? 9? Seriously, why 9?
Because it's 10-minute limit.
No, it's not. It's 15 minutes.
10-minute on Bandicam.
Dude, that's dumb.
I know. So
that is seriously dumb.
Installing software does take a little bit of time, and it's reached halfway and it's 1 minute. Don't take any notice of this part, because even though it's halfway, it doesn't mean that it'll take 2 minutes. It takes about 1 minute, half a second or something, half a minute to do that. Sorry, not half a second. So it does take a little bit of time.
Do you have to keep on throwing coconuts? Yeah. And it's taking too long. Yeah, it does.
Okay, so it's taken 7 minutes now, so I'm just going to pause it until it's finished building. No, it hasn't finished building, but as you can see, it's taken 2 minutes and it still hasn't finished, even though halfway it did take 1 minute. But it has taken 2 minutes so far. Please wait for a bit, because it will take a little bit of time. But on the older version, it was longer bar, and it didn't take much time on that one. If you can just type it. I'm just gonna wait until something else happens, and if it takes too long, we will be stopping the video. Okay, nothing else happened in the last 2 minutes, so we're just gonna stop now. So if anything that does happen during this video, now then, this video has taken quite a long time, so it will take a little bit of a long time to upload. But anyway, we hope you'd enjoyed this video. We'll come back for the test drive We'll come back in the test drive. I know we've done part 4 in this part as well, but it doesn't really matter, does it? So we've done part 4, so there'll be 6 parts rather than 7. Okay, so we'll see you soon. Bye.